So this is how you can fix your Gcash internal server error. Now this actually happens to quite a lot of people, that's why it's such a big problem. But this is how you can fix it. So what you're going to want to do is simply hold Gcash and then remove the app. You're going to want to delete it and simply download it back. As you can see, deleting this app will also delete its data, but any documents or data stored in the iCloud will not be deleted. Don't worry, if you have any money in your Gcash, it's not going to be removed as long as you remember your account. Once you delete the app, you're going to want to download it again, and then you'll be good to go. Just log in, and that should fix your internal server error. For Samsung users, you could just clear the cache of your Gcash. And yeah, that's about it. All you're gonna have to do is delete it and then log back in once you download it again, and it should be fixed. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.